Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to show storage capacity in Yahoo Mail on computer. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, you'll need to log in to your Yahoo Mail account. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Yahoo Mail homepage where you can view all your emails. Next up, click on three dots at the left-hand side and drop-down menu will appear. Here, click on the gear icon. This icon is your gateway to customizing Yahoo Mail settings to suit your needs. The gear icon can sometimes blend in with other icons, so take a moment to locate it carefully. On the left sidebar of the More Settings page, you'll find a list of options. Scroll down until you see the section dedicated to storage. Once you spot the storage section, you'll be able to see complete details about your storage capacity. In the storage section, you'll find information about your current usage. It will show how much space you've already used and how much is still available. And that's it. So that is how you can show storage capacity in Yahoo Mail on computer. So that's all for this video. Thanks.